NextWave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. The NextWave CNC Shark SD series for professional woodworkers and hobbyists conveniently creates, cuts, and carves in a minimal space. The SD100 is perfect for someone on a budget looking to get started with CNCs without sacrificing quality or performance. The solid black MDF bed features precision cut slots that allow for universal clamping options. The SD110 and SD120 feature an interlock T-slot bed for customizable clamping and come with a color touchscreen pendant. Both the SD110 and SD120 units also allow you to map out the entire surface area of your next project with our patented Virtual Zero software. For even more convenience, the SD120 has additional features, such as a longer interlock T-slot bed, homing, and auto router on-off control. All NextWave CNC Shark machines include ready-to-control and Vectric design software, lifetime technical support, and an industry-leading 2-year warranty. Get yours today when you visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of NextWave CNC retail dealers nationwide. NextWave CNC's Shark SD Series machine. World class. Made in USA.